Gold and silver stayed bullish throughout the day, while one must note the levels which we discussed in the earlier video today with the Asia session, that 1906 and 2380. Precisely both have achieved the levels, and since then has almost tried to stabilize, while silver is still showing the strength here. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you appreciate the effort, please do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. This is a great motivation for me to deliver on time with best of my abilities. Your every like, every comment I go through is inspires me to deliver consistently. With that, let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the and press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis twice a day. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Now, see, interestingly, gold and silver prices are rising, and the dollar price is also getting strengthened. And none of these have shown any correlation today. Yes, the world is waiting for the BRICS summit. There is a rumor that currency backed by gold might get announced, and that is why gold is also showing a bit of strength. However, it is not showing significant strength as it should have, while dollar index is again trying to rise. So this is something which you should note, and hence any direction it is going to take, it is going to be a strong momentum based direction. So we have to wait for it. This is just a news and macroeconomy I am sharing right now. But with that, let's have a look at the hourly chart. Rather than basing ourselves on news, let's base on the indicators and technicals. And if you look at it, see, 1906 levels prove out to be a greater resistance. Yes, it has achieved higher highs from what we have seen yesterday. It is consolidating here in the same zone. Now see, the 50 and 100 period moving average have also crossed over. 1896 is now the base on the hourly charts, only below which we can expect little more bearishness. And right now, if you look at, see, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. It is trying to stay bearish for a while. Yes, if you see it is staying above 1906, we can buy again, as we discussed in the first update today, that I will be looking at 1910-12 zone first target. Then beyond that, we may see it hitting 1915 and 1920 levels also if it continues to strengthen from here. Now look at the stochastic. This has dropped. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is flat. Coming to 2-hour charts. Look at 2-hour charts. See, the highs are aligned, the lows are aligned here. And if you discuss or observe it from here, right now it is trying to take a negative turn, and possible first support is going to be seen at 1900, and the next support is at around 1896-98 zone. Yes, this is a very strong support level. Look at the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. It is trying to converge till towards the moving average, possibly achieving those levels. Again, we may see a rise here. Now note here, see, this is the channel in which gold is trading as of now. There is a possibility, in fact, even if it drops below 1896, 94 levels is the level below which only bearishness is to be confirmed. Till 1894, we are not going to treat gold as bearish. You can see this channel is beautifully drawn here, and right now the highs and lows should be at around 1910 1896 level. That is my expectation. But let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic was overbought. It is looking downwards as of now. MACD is trying to converge. It is bullish. See, it has seen a straight rise here. RSI is flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, see, moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. This is again a good bullish sign here. We have seen it converging. We have seen the moving averages converging. We have seen the now, see, the rise from these levels at around 1897-98 till 1906. Now it can potentially converge till towards 1898 or 1900 levels. At those levels, we will see how it behaves. Stochastic is overbought, trying to look downwards. MACD is bullish, divergent. RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, now see, on the 4-hour chart, the previous candle was a candle of indecision. It neither wanted to go up, nor it will stretch, or nor it tried to go downwards. Higher lows, higher highs are seen, and at least see, on the 4-hour chart, little bearishness can be expected if it stays below 1900, where you can expect it to hit 1898-96 zone, in fact 94 also. But at least do not treat this as bearish. Also, one must note, see, this is how it has been trading. If you look at the highs of this channel right now, see, very moderate movement has been seen. Hence, somewhere here you can see the highs of this channel. However, I look forward to 1910, 1912 zone as the next resistance. And here on the 4-hour charts, you can see this is what we are talking about, 1894-95 as a very strong support. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts also similar observation, flat opening was seen, highs of this channel, and 20 period moving average is sitting at around 19, 10, 12. And I have been telling you always that, see, there is a reversal sign, the prices are divergent from the moving average. There is a very strong probability for gold to converge at least till 20 period, and moreover we can also see it converging for 50 and 100 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 19, 30, 40 levels. We all know that 1940 is a great resistance. So yes, prices are still bullish. This is the third green candle. This is gold has come out of this bearish channel and trying to recover. This recovery, you can see, this was gradual, this is vertical. It is showing strength here. Stochastic is rising, and see, the MACD is willing to converge crossover for buy after staying bearish. This crossover is coming at a lower levels at the bottom here, and hence it may try to continue with the bullish momentum. Stock RSI is also rising. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 1906. Expect 1910-12 zone first target. Beyond that, we can look forward to 1916, 1920 levels. Yes, it can potentially rise. First is 20 period moving average sitting at around 1916, and then beyond that, more bullish momentum can be expected here. Take your positions accordingly. A sell entry can be taken at 1900. However, 1896 is the level only below which little more, 1896, 94, 92. These are the levels where the bears will try to place more orders, and these are the levels below which it can try to continue with the bearish momentum. Hence, you should trade with caution. Sell at around 1896 if possible. Those who want to take an early entry can sell at 1900, but with extreme caution that it is not going to grow below 1896-94 zone. On the upside, buy at 1906. Now with that, let's have a look at silver. Before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, higher lows are seen, and after consolidating here, getting the resistance at 2340, we are seeing now divergence from the 20 period moving average. Good bullish sign it is for silver. Look at the last 3 hourly candles. Lower highs, lower lows. This candle is trying to break out. I will again observe this price has to be above 2380. That is, the selling price has to be above 2380. Eliminate this spread. Once you see it trading above 2380, you can buy and expect it to rise for 2420 levels. Yes, it has the potential to rise further. But at the same time, one must note that the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, which is right now sitting at around 2360 levels. Hence, we have to be extremely watchful and cautious. The drop is also going to be equally strong. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI is overbought here on the hourly charts. If you look at 2 hour charts, now look at 2 hour charts here. See, lower highs, higher lows, and now it is trying to rise again. It is breaking out on the upside. I will definitely wait for the double top levels at 2380. Wait for this price to stay above 2380, and more bullishness can be expected. However, since the prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average, there is a potential for it to converge. Yes, a selling at 2340, that is very clear. Till as long as 2340 is respected, as of now, we should not expect silver as bearish. We should not treat silver as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish looking upwards. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour charts, moving averages are trading with divergence. 20 and 50 and 100 are also about to cross over. This is good bullish sign here. Yes, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, you can see. And the support is now seen at around 2350, 2340 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent bullish, RSI overbought. Coming to 4 hour chart, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. Remember, the base is now created at 2340, and with that as base, we are looking forward to this rise. It can continue for a little while from here. Moving average is crossing over here, and good bullish signs are seen. See, this is getting aggressively bullish. Moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. This is a good sign for the bulls out here. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI overbought for silver. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See, rise from 2280 till 2330, 50 cents, and from 2340 to 2390. So yes, 2390, 24 is where the resistance is for silver. it can potentially deliver same size of candle, or in fact a slightly higher, which means 24 can get achieved here. So possibly we are looking at 24, 20 levels if it is stays above 2380. If this price stays above 2380, possibly we are looking for more rise. Yes, moving averages have started to converge. Prices are not staying above 20-50-100 period moving average, and you can see silver right now is staying in this channel, which is a bullish channel. And if you look at the highs of this channel, is somewhere here at around 27.50, $28 levels on the daily charts. First is I will look forward to this price, which is right now situated at around $25 levels. If and only if silver stays above 25, you can expect that we are going to look forward to a significant rally in silver in the coming few days. Stock IST overbought. MACD has crossed over. See, MACD on the daily charts crossed over, trading with divergence bullishness. It can sustain this move a bit. RSI is rising, and this is also a good sign for the bulls out. Now looking at this, see those who are looking forward to a retracement, first thing is the buying entry now is at about 2380 levels, very nearby. Yes, you can buy. This selling price should be at 2380. We can expect nearby resistance at 2390, very nearby, and 24. These are the two levels I will look forward to. Beyond that, 2420, 2450 levels should get achieved, if not today, possibly in few sessions from now. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell now at 2370 itself. When you look forward to a selling price, this price has to be below 2370, and you can enter here. If you see this buying price at 2370, you can enter a sell. But remember, you are just trying to make a little money out of the retracement, because once it drops, see there are very nearby support levels, 2355, 2340 levels. Only below 2340 it is to be treated bearish, and hence this is a riskier trade. If you are trying to trade against the trend, this is going to be a riskier trade. So you have to trade with caution, you have to trade with a stop loss, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon, join my mentorship and join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do watch the next update. See you soon with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow morning. Stay tuned. Thank you.